As far as the conversation of AI is concerned, you can only join the bandwagon and benefit from it or get left out. In this video, I am going to show you 9 different AIs in which you can start using to make money immediately, as soon as right now, or as soon as yesterday. You can start making money from it. All right, guys, without further ado, let's go to my screen. Let me show you how this works. But before then, if this is your first time on my channel, please do very well to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and share, because I am guaranteed that your loved ones and people around you would benefit from this video. Let's go right in. First website I want to show you is actually Adobe related. It's adobe.com/product/firefly/html, just for clarity's sake. Now, your imagination's new best friend. So it says use generative AI and simple text prompt to create the highest quality output, beautiful images, text effect, and fresh color palettes. Make all new content from reference images and explore more possibility more quickly. All you have to do here, for instance, this has already created something like that. It says dogs in a sweater / primary color. All you did was doing dog in a sweater, and you click on generate, and it generates an image for you that it's in the same similitude as the text you've entered. For instance, if I want to say a boy going to school in primary colors or in green and white, I am just only going to come here and type it. So this is very important for people who are freelancers, who you're probably a photographer or an imagery expert, and your client is asking you, oh, I need an image that does this and does that. All you have to do is to come here and type exactly what is written, what you want, and then it creates a content for you in the same similitude. The next AI I want to show you is 10web.io. Now, this is very primarily important for people who are into website generation. Now, this can create a website for you in less than an hour. It says launch and grow your business online with AI. Create a website using AI website builder, host it on 10web hosting, and optimize it with page speed booster. All you have to do is to come here and click on generate your website, but of course you would need to sign in. So if you are into the business of website generating, and this also is very important for freelancers, you can actually create this and sell it on the likes of LinkedIn, the likes of Fiverr, the likes of Upwork, and all that. So this is very, very important for those who are into creation of website. And Durable.com is another AI that builds a website for you. So it says get your business online in 30 seconds. As little as 30 seconds, you can get your website online with the #1 AI website builder and marketing platform. So this is very particular. If you want to build a website for yourself, it works. If you want to start building website for clients, I mean, only a few people know this website I'm showing you. You can only simply start using it. Tell everybody that you can build a website, and then they give you their job. You come here and you build their website for you. Simple. All you have to do is to click on generate website, and you're good to go. And of course, you have to click on sign in and look at their partners: BNN, Bloomberg, Business Insiders, and Forbes. Now, the next AI I want to show you is none other but Opus.pro. Now, it says #1 AI video clipping tool. 1 long video, 10 viral clips, create 10 times faster. Now, this is very particular for social media managers. If you are a social media manager and you're just getting into the field and getting a hang of how it works, now this is what works for you. Your clients can give you a video, and even it's your video, this video I'm creating right now, once I am done, I have a TikTok handle, I have an Instagram handle. Take advantage of this, create short clips, and post it on TikTok and Instagram. What this does is that it looks for the part of your video that are most likely to go viral, and it creates clip for you, different clips that you can post on TikTok, Instagram, and then it goes viral. So all you have to do is to come here, drop the link of your video or upload your video, go to your device, click on upload device. It takes you to your device, and then you simply pick the device you want, the video you want, and upload it, and boom, that works for you. Now, we do not have all the time to do that because I need to show you all of these pages. So let's just go to the next. It's called tribescaler.com. tribescaler.com. Write better hooks in seconds, make your tweets go viral, get more impressions, grow a better network, and earn more money. It's that simple. You can try it for free. Now, this is also very important for social media managers. Everyone is using it. If it's becoming the need for social media manager is becoming increasingly relevant in the world we live in right now, because almost everybody is creating content. Even a lawyer is creating content. A real estate marketer is producing content. A food vendor is creating content. So, and all of those people sometimes have a lot of work in their hand or on their hand that they need a social media marketer or manager. Now, you can take up these jobs, and to make your job easier, you can use tools like this for Twitter, virality, and all that. The next website or the next AI I want to show you is lalal.ai. It says extract vocal accompaniment and various instruments from any audio and video. Now, I personally use this oftentimes for instance, if I'm trying to shoot a YouTube video and there is this YouTube video I see online or a sound and I like the background vocals, all I do, or the background music, all I have to do is pick that, put it here, come here, select file, put it here, and then it extracts the vocals from the sound. And then you have the instrumentation or alone that you can use as your background music, right? The next AI I would show you is boomy.com. It says unleash your creativity, make music with Boomy AI. It says create original songs in seconds, even if you've never made music before. Submit your songs to streaming platform and get paid when people listen. Join a global community of artists empowered by generative music. So to do this, you sign in or sign up, and the next thing you click on create your song, and boom, there you go. The next AI I want to show you is none other but scribbyhow.com. Scribbyhow.com. Now, all it says about Scribbyhow is turn any process into a step-by-step guide instantly. So what this does is that it takes screenshot. If for instance I'm creating this video right now for you, it takes screenshot of the different progressive stages of my video creation, and it creates a presentation for me. So you don't have to bother. For instance, you're working on certain research project and you need to do a presentation. This works specifically for maybe master's project or undergrad project, or you're doing some project for your company. It takes screenshot of your progressive work and then compile it into a presentation. So all you have to do is to go through it, edit it, remove what you do not want to be there, and your presentation is ready. You don't have to come sit down and start organizing, putting things together. This does that for you. Another AI I want to show you is AI Image Enlarger. Enlarge and enhance photos on phones by AI Enlarger. Never been so easy to upscale your image and photos on your iOS/Android phone. Now, this is how this works. There are sometimes, for instance, there are people who have gigs like this on Fiverr and Upwork. They'll tell you, I would enlarge your photo for you for $5 or for $3 or whatever dollars. Now, people have pictures, and these pictures, they probably want it to be bigger. And oftentimes, when you increase the size of this picture, it reduces the resolution, and then hence reducing the quality of the video, of the picture. But AI Image Enlarger will do this for you seamlessly. All you have to do is to sign in or sign up for free, and then use it, and your client never gets to know where you found that out from. Now, if you feel like I gave you value for this video, please do very well to subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time, like this video, share, leave a comment in the comment section if you're confused about anything, and I'm going to attend to it promptly. See you in the next video. I gotta get busy.